In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy lost packages from Temu. This is a unique opportunity to explore the world of mystery boxes, where you can discover items that you never expected. The first step is to visit the website Fundelivered, which is known as the internet's leading platform for mystery boxes. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL to get started. Once you're on the homepage of Fundelivered, you'll want to look for the Shop Now button. This will guide you to the available collections they have for purchase. Next, you'll need to find the Shop Our Mail Mix Mystery Boxes section. This option offers a variety of lost packages ready for discovery. As you browse through the different options, consider what kind of experience you are looking for. You might find smaller or larger packs depending on your curiosity or budget. Once you've settled on the type of package you want, simply click on the option you've chosen. Doing so will take you to the detailed page for that specific box. Now it's time to make your purchase. Look for the Buy Now button and click it to commence the checkout process. This is where you'll start entering your personal details, starting with your first and last name. It's important to ensure this information is accurate to avoid any delivery issues. Next, you'll enter your phone number. This could be used for shipping updates or in case the delivery service needs to contact you. Following that, you should choose your county or region from the provided drop-down menu. This ensures that your package ships to the correct part of the country. Proceed by typing in your complete address. This includes your street address, which needs to be precise for a smooth delivery. Afterward, input your city and select your state from yet another drop-down menu. Then type in your zip or postal code. Double-check all of these entries to minimize errors and potential delays. With your shipping details out of the way, click on Save and Continue. This will bring you to a confirmation page where you'll have another chance to review your information. If everything looks good, simply click Continue to proceed to payment. In this final step, fill out your card details to finalize the purchase. Enter your credit or debit card information as required, being cautious of any typos or missing numbers. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, click on Place Order and Pay. Congratulations! You've just ordered a mystery box filled with lost treasures from Temu. Now, all that's left to do is eagerly await the arrival of your mystery